We're going fishing. This may get a little greasy down here. I don't know what this place is like at night. I prefer to come out here earlier, but I just got off work and I'm gonna fish for a little while. I hope my other battery has some juice in it. Anyways, I'm gonna walk up. So today we're at the poo water hole and we seem to be getting some bites. I don't know what it is. Probably little carp. I know we missed 2 of them. No, we still got it. I don't know why I'm using the dock runner, or is this a, yeah, it's a carp. We got a daily double even. We need to get this double. Both these rods only have 6-pound lines, so that's not ideal for landing these slabosauruses. Is this a carpy double? This is a carpy double. Carp 1 and carp 2. We should let probably this one go first. Should probably be using these as fertilizer, but here's short and stout carp 1. That one let itself go. And here's short and stout carp 2. I don't know, for some reason carp seem to like it when you fish with like light line, lightweight. They seem to really like it finesse. Not that I'm an avid carp angler. There's the second fish of the carpy double. Kitty, I think it's a kitty. No, it's a carp, unfortunately. Yeah, what's the carp? Is it a carp or a kitty? Oh, it's just another. So here's a video of me fishing at the poo hole. The one day I caught 2 carp. I thought I caught another carp, but maybe it wasn't on video that day. And then this other day I went out there. I ended up chit-chatting with someone for too long, and then I got out fishing really late and it was dark out, and I caught 2 carp in like 45 minutes of fishing. Anyways, I have some more spillway fishing videos. I don't know when I'm going to go fishing next. I'm having some vehicle issues, and I'm going to have it fixed on Monday, so hopefully I'll have another video up soon. Maybe I should just do some reviews, which I've been intending on doing. But anyways, I appreciate everyone watching my videos. And I never thought I'd make videos of me actually fishing for carp, because until I moved to this state that's all about corn, I really didn't do that much carp fishing.